Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Now as you remember that we were doing the 5th chapter and we have completed all the exercises of the textbook, means I have discussed everything with you, right? Now today we will be starting a new grammar topic, and that is homophones. Now you must be thinking, what is this homophones? And you must be thinking it is a very difficult topic. You must be thinking the name is very difficult, homophones. So you must be wondering that what it is. But no, it is not at all difficult. In fact, it is very easy. And through this grammar topic, you will be learning new words, and you will also be learning their meanings also. Yes or no? It is very interesting. It is about words. So you will increase your vocabulary. You will increase your speaking skills. You will learn new words. You will learn their spellings also, and you will learn their meanings also, because this topic is about words, their meanings and the spellings. Okay, and it is very simple. You will love it. Means it is very interesting. So are you ready for the topic about homophones? Okay students, so let's start it. Okay students, this is the 6th part of chapter 5. That means this is the 6th video of the chapter. Now let's learn about the homophones. Are you ready students? Okay, let's see the next slide. Okay students, now you can see some words given below. Read the words given below. Now you can see there are 2 columns and there are words on each side. Now see this one. Can you all read it with me? What is this? Through. And this is also through. Road, road. Plane, plane. Way, way. One, one. Two, two. There, there. New, new. Okay students, now you must have seen that all these words, both the sides of words are different. They all are different. Their spellings are different. They have different meaning. But still when you pronounce them, they sound similar. Yes or no? See now, if this through, they both are sounding similar. Road, road. These both are sounding similar. Plane, plane. So all these words when you pronounce, they have the same sound. They sound very similar. So this type of words are known as homophones. What are they called? Homophones. There are many other words also. Okay. Their pronunciation is very same. Okay. Their pronunciation is exactly the same. But they are different words. They are not same words. And their meaning is also different. And their spellings are also different. So such type of words are known as homophones. Understood? I will just show you the spelling of homophones over here. Such type of words, they are known as homophones. Understood students? Okay, now we will see some worksheets, then you will get a very clear idea. Okay students, so worksheet 5.2 is about the homophones. Okay, now we will just read these words, then you will understand in a more better way. Now see, this is given counsel and this is also counsel. Now you can see the spellings are different, but they are pronounced in the same way. Now this counsel means to give advice, and this council means an assembly. Okay students, now you can see the meanings are also very different. Now see, both these words are pronounced as soar. This is also soar and this is also soar. Now what is the meaning of this SOAR, soar? It is to rise, and SORE, soar means painful. So you can see their meanings are very different. Then the next pair of words is lesson. Now this is also lesson and this is also lesson, but you can see their spellings are different. Now this lesson means to minimize, and this lesson means an experience from which you learn. Even your books lessons are called as lesson. This one, LESSON. Okay, they are also called lessons. This is also known as doe, and this is also known as doe. This is DOE and this is DOUGH. You can see the spellings are different. Now this doe means a deer, and this dough means flour. Flour means that atta you say at home with what you make chapatis. That is called dough. First you have to make a dough out of the flour, and then you can make the chapatis. So these all are called homophones. These pairs of words, they are called homophones. Okay. Now see, the definition is also given. Words that sound the same but have different meanings and are spelt differently are called homophones. Okay, they sound the same. When you listen to the words, they will be same, but they have different meanings and they have different spellings. So they are called homophones. Now see, you can do this exercises for your homework, then you will be more clear. Over here you have to circle the homophones. Okay, you have to circle the homophones in all the sentences. See, I will just make you do the first one. For example, the difficult phase in his life did not faze him one bit. So which are the homophones? Phase and phase. So in the same way you can do the remaining. The hare had soft white hair on his body. So here also hair and hair. Okay, very simple, and you will enjoy doing this exercise. So this you must do it for your homework. Okay, I will write homework over here. It's very easy. Okay, students. Then turn to the next page, that is page number 62. Also there are two exercises. Write a homophone for each of these words. Now this also you have to do it for homework, and you have to do it on your own. See, this is like an activity for you. You have to find out homophones. You should find it out on your own. You must think a lot. And if you cannot think, you can take the help of the books also. You can take the help of your elders also. See, I will show you one example. Now this is NIGHT, night. Now you have to write a homophone for night. You have to write a homophone for night. So the homophone for night is night. KNIGHT. Can you see? Now this night means, you know, night, day and night. So this night means about day and night, when you sleep at night. And you know what is this night? This night means the soldiers. They are called night. It is pronounced as night only. There is K, but the K is silent. So this is also pronounced as night. Okay, but the spelling is different. And this night means the soldiers. Now see, I will show you one more. Week. This is week, and the next word you can write is week. W-E-A-K, week. W-E-A-K, week. Now this week means the days of the week, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and this week means very weak. The girl is very weak, means not strong. Yes or no? So they are two different words. So you have to do all these words on your own. Please try to find it out. Okay, then you will be more clear about the topic. Now this is also something similar. All the homophones are given to you, pairs of homophones. You have to make sentences out of them. Now see, choose and choose, scent, scent, male, male. This is also very, very easy, and you can do it for your homework. Understood? So this was the topic about homophones. Okay students, and I hope you have understood everything. Okay students, so I hope that you have understood homophones and even understood all the worksheets. I have shown you how to do the exercises. Yes or no? So please do the exercises of the worksheets on your own, and you will get a better idea of the topic. Okay students, so thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.